leaking metal roof doesn't just cause water damage. It halts operations, wrecks equipment, eats into your budget. Most failures are preventable, and they start small. Loose fasteners, worn-out sealant, poor drainage, one storm, and you're facing a shutdown. Bad installs, thermal movement, and UV damage lead to rust, leaks, and insulation rot. And rushed repairs with the wrong materials, they usually make things worse. But here's the good news. Facility managers across the country are stopping leaks before they start. With a professional roof coating system, it starts with a rust-removing solvent wash. Then fasteners are sealed, seams reinforced, and a seamless fluid-applied membrane is installed, protecting your building for decades. No leaks, no shutdowns, no surprise expenses, just a long-lasting, energy-efficient system backed by warranty. Don't wait for failure. Restore and protect your roof before it costs you more. Click below for a no-cost restoration estimate from a local pre-vetted installer today.